So good morning students. இன்னைக்கு என்னென்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா சோர்ஸ் ஆஃப் மெடிவல் இந்தியாவில் உள்ள புக் எக்ஸசைஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ வாங்க போகலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். Dash are the writing engraved on solid surface such as rocks, stones, temple walls and metals. அது என்ன அப்படின்னா inscription. Okay. Dash was the land gifted to temples. Devantana. Dash period was known as the period of devotional literature, Chola. So Chola period la da devotional literature வந்து ஜாஸ்தியா இருந்துச்சு. So Dash provide information about the first Sultan of Delhi. Tajul Mahsir அப்படிங்கிறது தான் provides the information about first Sultan of Delhi. Dash, an Arab-born Morocco scholar, traveled from Morocco to India. Ibn Battuta அப்படிங்கிறவர் தான். Okay. So Uttaramerur inscription provides detail about administration in Brahmanetra village. Muhammad Ghori had stamped the figures of goddess Lakshmi on his golden coins and his name inscribed on it. Dash is a grain of silver amounted to dash jital. Okay. Dash was patronized by Sultan Nazir ul Din Muhammad of slave dynastics. Dash, an Italian traveler, visited Vijayanagar Empire in 1420. Nicola Conti. Okay. So match the following. So state true or false. Pallichandram was the land donated to the Jain Institute. That is true. The composition of metal coins gives us the information on the political condition of the empire. That is false. The highest cost of copper made palm leaf and paper cheaper alternative for according royal orders and events in royal courts. That is true. Domino Pais, a Portugal traveler, visited Chola Empire in 1522. That is false. So this is the match the state with recent tick, the appropriate answer. Find out the wrong pair. Find out the odd one. Inscription, monuments, coins. அதெல்லாமே வந்து medieval இல்ல, but travel is different. Okay, travel log. Who compiled 4000 Divya Prabandham? Nadamuni. What does the word Tash mean? Autobiography. So these are other questions. Name Jahangir Mamari. Name 2 different types of sources of study of history. List out the important mosque and fort constructed during the medieval times. So these are the forts. எங்க கட்டியிருக்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னு Agra Fort, Chittoor Fort, Gwalior Fort, Delhi Red Fort. Mention the important foreign traveler who visited India during medieval period. Marco Polo, Al-Biruni, Inba Battuta, Nicole Conti, Abdur Razak, Domino Pais. இவங்கெல்லாம் வந்து foreign travelers. Describe the different types of coin introduced by the ruler of Delhi Sultanate. So answer grid. Dash was the courtier of Emperor Aurangzeb. Kafi Khan. Thiruvalangadu copper plate belonged to Rajendra Chola I. Jalabaha was the land of maintenance of school. Dash compiled Periya Puranam, secular. Dash is an Arabic word meaning history. Tariq. Muhammad bin Tughlaq transferred his capital from Delhi to Devagiri. Daludabad. Okay. This is the hard one. The composition of metal is in coin indicating of economic property of the empire, substantiality. Prepare an album of picture of palace, tombs, mosque, fort of medieval India. So Red Fort இருக்குது, Taj Mahal இருக்குது. Okay. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், என்னுடைய சேனல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.